Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel, here at Maitland for a Maitland Night vlog. Here we have Hunterset J1 that's just arrived into platform number 2. It is a Talara service stopping at Talara only. Hunterset J1 now departing platform 2. The Brisbane XPT that's soon to arrive on platform 2 is running about 20 to 30 minutes late, so I'm not too sure if I'll get it in this vlog. Ex-Brisbane XPT now arriving into platform number 1. First stop will be Broadmeadow, followed by Fassifern, Wyong, Gosford, Hornsby, Strathfield and Central. The front power car is XP 2014. Sydney XPT returning from Brisbane, now departing platform number 1. Stopping at Broadmeadow, Wyong, Gosford, and so on. Power car is XP 2004. Hunter J-Set, J5 now arriving into platform number 2. Dungog service stopping all stations. Newcastle, serviced by J1 now arriving into platform 1. Newcastle service stopping all stations to Newcastle. Front car is HMT 2751, rear car is HM 2701. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, favourite the video. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye for now.